23 or 18 almost. Is come age mein you had a guts to perform in front of people in the platform and the work. So it's a very great achievement. All team members and the participants especially, they had a very wonderful job. और I think इस प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस और एक मौका ज़रूर मिला अपने जीवन काल में, कहीं ना कहीं आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाएंगे. एंड यू गो सो लॉन्ग इन दिस इंडस्ट्री to have a great opportunity given by the Polycraft. So again, I would like to thank a lot the whole team of management of Polycraft to make arrange a very fantastic program, and best wishes from the Grand Opera Resorts and Banquets. We are associated here as a partner on this event. It's a great opportunity for us, an honor for us, for a Grand Opera team. So again, I want to thank a lot the whole team of the management Polycraft. Thank you all participants and management employees. Thank you so much. Thank you.